In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in Figjam. Figjam is a fantastic online whiteboard for brainstorming, diagramming, and collaborating with your team in real time. Sticky notes are a core element of this experience, allowing you to capture ideas quickly and organize your thoughts visually. This process is designed to be intuitive and efficient, helping you focus on your creativity rather than the tool itself. First, let's begin by accessing Figjam. If you're starting from your main Figma dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new Figjam board or open an existing one. Typically, you can find the Figjam section alongside your design files. Simply click on the Figjam option, which might appear as a tab or a clear button in your Figma interface. This will open up your Figjam workspace, ready for you to begin adding your ideas and collaborating. Whether you're starting a fresh board or jumping into a project already in progress, getting into Figjam is the initial step to unleash your creativity with sticky notes. Once you're inside your Figjam board, the next step is to locate and select the sticky note tool. You'll typically find a convenient toolbar located on the left-hand side of your screen. This toolbar contains all the essential tools you'll need for working within Figjam. Look for the sticky note icon. It usually resembles a small square or rectangle with a slightly folded corner, making it easily recognizable. Simply click on this sticky note icon. Once selected, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to place a sticky note. You can then click anywhere on your board to instantly add a sticky note. As soon as it appears, your cursor will automatically be positioned within the note, allowing you to start typing your text immediately. This seamless transition from placing the note to adding text ensures that your flow of thought isn't interrupted, making it incredibly easy to jot down ideas as they come to you. Finally, Figjam offers great flexibility in customizing your sticky notes to suit your needs. After you've placed a sticky note and entered your text, you might want to personalize it. To do this, simply click on the sticky note you wish to modify. A contextual menu or a set of formatting options will appear either above the note or in a sidebar. Here, you'll find options to change the color of your sticky note. Figjam provides a vibrant palette of colors, which is incredibly useful for categorizing different ideas, assigning tasks, or simply making your board more visually appealing. For example, you could use blue notes for questions, yellow for ideas, and green for action items. Additionally, you can easily adjust the size of your sticky notes. Just like with most elements in design software, you can click and drag the corners or edges of the sticky note to make it larger or smaller. This ensures your notes fit perfectly within your layout, whether you need a compact reminder or a larger space for more detailed thoughts. This level of customization helps you organize your collaborative space effectively and visually communicate with clarity. And there you have it. Adding and customizing sticky notes in Figjam is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your ability to brainstorm and collaborate.